Hi everyone, welcome to Connective Technologies. So today I am going to explain one of the important concept, that is what is cumulative bundle patch. That is, we can call it as a short word, CWB patch. Okay. So before I explain this concept, first of all, I wish you happy new year to everyone. So I hope everyone's dream comes true this year. So what are the goals, achievement which you put on this specific 2026 year? So I hope everyone can able to achieve it. Okay. So let's see this concept. Yeah. So before I move to that, so I'm going to quick start the new batch in the January month. So we have a demo on 18th January. So that is Sunday 9:30 a.m. So this is the Zoom ID meeting ID passcode details. So you guys can directly join the demo session, and you have an access for 1 week to 10 days, and you can listen the classes, then after that you can take a decision. And this is very good course, Oracle Fusion Financial CRP. There is no coding, and at the same time there is no impact on AI. Okay, so it is very helpful to for your career, so to switch from your non-IT to IT domain. So then apart from that, recently we launched our mobile app. So you guys can go and download the mobile app from Play Store and App Store. I'll provide the links or the video description. And the main intention, the main usage of to develop this app is, so what are the course which we are discussing, right? This Oracle Fusion Financials. Most of the students, they aren't all are working professionals. So they are working with sometimes rotational shift, night shift, early morning shift, and sometimes they are working from the banking domain, and some due to some health issues, personal reasons, they may miss the few classes. So what are the classes which we discussed on a daily basis that you will get over the app? Okay. So if you see, so you can go to the Play Store, you can type with the connect3 without space, you will get, and you can download the app, and you can provide your mail ID under. So I'll give the access for the demo session so that you can go through the few videos, and going forward, few important concept you can able to see over the app itself. So the next one, this is the videos, it will be like that. Okay, and it's very helpful to you guys to revision the concept so that you will be very confident in the subject wise. You can practice, you can revision the concepts a number of times. Okay, it is very helpful to the students. Okay, we have a backup videos for every day regular classes. Next, yeah, so coming to CWB patch, cumulative weekly bundle patch in Oracle Fusion. So this is Oracle's way of delivering the regular updates to the Fusion Cloud application, example financial HCM and then SCM. So that means what are the bug fixes which we have, it will deliver in a one bundle of patch. That means that patch, it's consist of finance bug fixes, HCM bug fixes, SCM bug fixes. It's not a backport patch, it's a CWB patch. That means cumulative weekly bundle patch. It's consist of multiple bug fixes in the same patch. It's not an individual patch. Cumulative in nature, each weekly bundle includes new fixes plus all previous fixes. So including the previous bug fixes and then current bug fixes for all the models. It could be finance and then HCM or SCM, or else they will give sometimes finance one CWB patch, HCM one CWB patch, SCM one CWB patch. Like that also they will give. Okay, depends on the urgency, depends on the requirement. Content covered, bug fixes, performance improvement, compliance update, and then small functional enhancement. So what are the bug fixes which we have it related to performance issue, or else any small bug fixes like the one which we discussed, supplier number is not generating, invoice is not valid, or else any payment term is not defaulting from setup level to transaction level. So like any bug fixes. Okay, so those it will be covered. So it's managed by the Oracle, and they will schedule automatically on a weekly basis, and they will release this on a weekly basis. So if you take an example, every month during the first week, the Oracle development team apply the CWB patch in the test instance. That is also Saturday only. For example, 1st of January, during the third week of each month, the Oracle development team apply the CWB patch in the production instance on Saturday. That is 7th of January. So this CWB patch, if you are okay to apply, we should inform to the Oracle development team at least before 1 week, or else at least 3 days before. Then only they will schedule on Saturday. On first week, they will apply in the test instance. That is 1st of January. Once we tested all bug fixes, everything is working fine. Then okay, we are good to apply this CW patch in a production instance. Then they will apply in a third week. So first week they will apply in a production test instance. Sorry, third week they will apply in a production instance. If in case there is a chance from the Oracle side, if you request any approvals, they are okay with applying a second week, and the fourth week they want to apply in a production, second week they want to apply in testings, that is also possible. It's a depends on the availability of the slots to apply the patch on a weekends. Accordingly, they will facilitate the CW patch to apply in both our production instance as well as test instance. Okay, it's completely depends on the business need and then availability of the Oracle development team. Okay, so now let's see the example same. So we log in a SR through Metalink. So we have a one issue in the purchase requisition level. Purchase requisition approvals are not working. So the Oracle SR engineer, they decided to raise a bug here for this specific SR related issue. Then the same, we have a purchase order. The total tax amount is not populating on the PO header level. Again, this Oracle development team, they verified setups, config, everything. Then they decided it is also a bug. Then after that, again, we have one more SR, that is AP invoice validation is not working. We are getting error. This is also they will consider. This is also a bug that Oracle SR team, they raise the bug. So here if you see from specific client, so let's assume Airtel. So for this Airtel customer, as an example, we are taking Airtel. So we have a three SRs. These three SRs we will log for an SR. Then Oracle development, they verified all the configuration setups, everything it's perfect. Then something it is wrong in the product side. That means application side. Then they decided and they log the bug for an each SR. So we have a three bugs. So for these three bugs, they are going to fix it, okay, in the CWB patch. So here in CWB patch, we have a fixes for these three module related fixes. It's not in a backport patch. In backport patch, what it will happen? Only one issue it will be there. That specific issue related one up patch, backport patch they will give. But here CWB patch means the bundle. So how many issues you have for your customer, the Airtel? If they have a 10 issue, 10 bugs, that 10 bugs related all patches it will be there in this particular CWB patch. That bundle patch we will given approval to that respect to Oracle team. So you see here we have to give an approval. So our ITPM, Airtel ITPM, once he will give the approve, that approval mail we should upload in the SR Metalink for each SR. Then that specific patch, that CWP patch, they will apply in the R Fusion server. So that it will be updated in our test instance in the first week. Then once it is working, everything is fine. These three issues got resolved. The same CW patch they will apply in the third week in the production instance. Okay. So this is the way our CW patch we will apply in our production instance as well as test instance. So please keep in mind this was applied by the Oracle product team, Oracle development team. It's not our job at all. We don't have any access to DBA because it's a cloud-based database. Okay, cloud-based database server. And at the time, this backport patch or CWB patch, it will be applied on only on weekends. That is Saturday only. So please keep in mind. So any financial impact happen, your business is shut down. So your sales team will be there, your IT PM will be there. They will change with Oracle and that they will get the backport patch or CW patch quickly, and they will apply in our production instance as well as test instance. So these all bug fixes again they will apply. If it is missing here, they will release the bug fixes in our quarterly release like 26A, 26B, 26.3. If the issue is already fixed, they will not include this CWB patch or a backport patch in the quarterly update. So they have a list which customer having the which patches in which month they applied, whether they are in a current version or a previous version, how many backport patches they applied in the production instance, test instance. They have a list oracle. So accordingly, what are the bug fixes related CW patch, either backport patch, which they given before quarterly release, that they will not include in a quarterly release as per my knowledge. But it's maybe vary subject to correction, maybe vary from customer to customer. Even I'm not sure. But in my customer, they will follow like that. Okay. Yeah. So this is all about to CWB patch. It's very important in the real time when you are working for a support project or a testing quarterly patch testing project. These two concepts, backport patch, CW patch, is very, very important. Okay. So I hope I explained very clearly. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Once again, wish you happy new year. Have a good day. We'll meet on another video. Thank you.